today I'm showing you that coffee pot still has coffee in it, so we're moving on to two different appliances. This video is on cleaning and decluttering. So now today I chose to do two appliances, and yeah, let's get into it, guys. Now I did want to say that this video is part of a collaboration. It's called the Kitchen Challenge, Cleaning and Declutter, and that's hosted by At Penny's Place. So the co-host of this collab is Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. Now my dishwasher's running in the background, and I did have a few items in the sink, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean those off before we start tackling these two appliances. Now I will say this, some people might look at these two appliances and say, well, that must be easy to clean. No, that's so far from the truth. So yeah, I think we better get into the video. As you can see, I pulled the tray out of the air fryer. We're going to get rid of the parchment paper that's inside there, and the whole bottom part there needs to soak in some Dawn and some Comet and anything else you can find. Now, whatever oil or grease settles to the bottom of that air fryer drawer, I'm just going to wipe it up now that it's solidified, and then we're going to go ahead and soak it. Okay, so now while that's over there soaking, I'm going to start cleaning the air fryer. And I did show you some awesome products. I buy a lot of those products, are really good, and I do purchase them at the Dollar Tree. They're a degreaser. I also use this Dawn product. It works so awesome. So we're spraying everything down, and we're just going to leave that soak there for a minute before we start scrubbing and wiping that down. So I decided I needed a quick little sip of coffee here before we start tackling this air fryer. And please excuse my voice, it sounds kind of raspy today. So yeah, let's start scrubbing this. nice and shiny, you really just want to slap a sign on it that says don't touch. Because I'm the only one that cleans it. I don't know. Okay, so now it's time to tackle this bottom drawer here. So we're going to start scrubbing this and get it nice and clean. Okay, so after all that scrubbing, this drawer is getting ready to go right where it belongs, and this is done and nice and clean. Like I said, I just feel like hanging the sign over it. But we're going to move on to the next appliance, and that is the toaster. And you won't believe what comes out of a toaster when you use it every day. So let's get moving. Okay, so if you lean the toaster over to the side, you're going to see a little lever there that opens up like a door. And everything imaginable having to do with crumbs is going to come out of there. So make sure and have a garbage can near you. Shake all that stuff out of there, and then we can start spraying it down and cleaning it. toaster was absolutely horrible because I didn't even know there was a door on the bottom of that toaster. So I was shaking it from the top. What a mess. But you won't believe the job it is just to get a toaster clean. So I don't know. So we are giving this its last wipe down before placing this appliance back. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for this collaboration. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.